Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly how you can allow your Teamspace members on Notion to view only. So let us show you how to do it and dive into it really quickly. So head over to Notion, access your workspace in the top left corner. So let me go with this one here. And here under Teamspaces, you will see the list of all Teamspaces inside your workspace, which is for this workspace, this Teamspace here. So if you'd like to, for example, grant access or permission to your workspace or Teamspace members and give them the permission, for example, to edit your databases or pages or allow them only to view these pages and databases, you may do that in your Teamspace settings. So to access these, click into these three dots next to the given Teamspace and select Teamspace settings here. After that, head over from the General tab to the Members tab here. And here you will see a list of all of your Teamspace members. So here to the right, simply click into full access, which is usually the default access or permission, and switch to can command or can view only. For example, if you select can view, your Teamspace members won't be able to edit or to do anything with your Teamspace content like databases, projects, pages, and so on and so forth. So that's basically it. Of course, you as the Teamspace owner will keep your full access, which should be pretty self-explanatory. So you can view, edit, comment, and do anything you like with your Teamspace and its content. So that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.